Hello friends! As we promised, we continue our question-answer column. And today, our theme is Controller for Diagnostic of Electric Power Steering Units MS561. As always, our specialist Rinat will help us in this. I propose to start with questions immediately. There are quite a lot of questions, so I propose, just like last time, continue in the form of a dialogue. Getting started. The first question. What is the feature of checking the power steering units?
On modern cars, the operation of an electric booster is very much dependent on sensor readings of such systems as ABS, ESP, cruise control, braking system and others. When checking the unit, it is necessary not only to provide power to give it the necessary voltage, but also to submit special codes. Otherwise, it will not start.
Realized. What are the stages of the process of repairing the unit?
The repair process consists of 3 stages: diagnostics, self-repair and post-repair testing.
The next question, how can MS561 help us with the repair of electric booster units?
The controller will help us a lot at the stage of diagnostics and post-repair testing. But also, in some cases, during the repair process, it is necessary to use it. It happens when you need to localize the fault itself.
Understood. How we can use the MS561 EPS controller to check the unit and determine the cause of the malfunction? Friends, this is a quite a voluminous question. We will consider it in a separate video. We will definitely add a link in the description. Now, in order not to linger, we proceed the following questions. Fifth question. What is included in the MS561 set?
MS561 package includes a controller itself, a laptop that allows you to control the controller and that has a program necessary for control, a VPECA multi-brand diagnostic scanner, and a set of cables that are completed in consultation with the client, depending on what brands you intend to maintain.
What is unique about MS561?
There is a very small offer of this kind of tester on the market, but I can say for our product, our controller is as close as possible in its parameters to the actual operation of the unit on the car. That is, it produces a voltage of 14.5 volts, which has a good effect on testing. It has the ability to update the database, which allows you to maintain its relevance at a high level. It also has a set of cables, then it allows you to simplify the process of unit connection to the controller itself.
Seventh question. When it is necessary to update the controller software?
Time does not stand still, and car producers are constantly improving the car, including the units that contain them. We try to track these changes and take them into account in the database used in EPS controllers. Therefore, I would recommend about once in 3-4 months to make an update, with the help of an icon on the main program menu. And of course, to make an update in the event that you have a unit and you try to check it, but it doesn't allow you to turn on.
As I understand, you don't need to download any additional software, you just update.
Yes, not necessary. It takes 2-3 minutes.
Eighth question. How reliable is the MS561 and how often does it need to be repaired?
In spite of rich possibilities of the device itself, it is quite simple in design. And as simple as it is very reliable. For all the time when we sell this controller, and we sell it for several years, we had only a few cases of customer calls. And in half of these cases, the problem was resolved remotely using a remote access program.
Rinat, thank you for the answers. Now we will take a short break and return in the next section. The link can be found in the description.